Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. Today I have a package here, as you can see. It's from WestCoastPicks. So yeah, me and Harley worked out a trade a little while back. Originally I'd seen something on his channel that I was looking for and contacted him. And we got to talking, and I told him how I was getting interested in high security locks, and I mentioned that yeah, it's kind of cool and everything, but I said it also kind of sucks being interested in the high security stuff because well, generally it's not the kind of thing people want to trade and part with, their high security stuff. But Harley, being the awesome guy he was, yeah, we worked out a trade, and I sent him some stuff, and he sent me some stuff, obviously. That's how it works. I think I sent him 10 challenge locks, and I sent him an ASA Oval, a Medico, and excuse me, Yale LFIC. I have a short memory. I know of a couple things that he sent in here, but he I think he mentioned that he might put some extra stuff in, so without further ado, let's just cut into this and see what is inside. Oh, this thing is really dull. In fact, I'm going to switch that out. Oh, where is it? Switch that out for my multi-tool here. Big old Leatherman, from my uncle when he worked at a diamond mine here in Canada, northern Canada, in the territories. Oh, that's a lot better. I've been struggling with sharpening knives, guys. It's not something that's that easy to do if you don't have the proper equipment, if you're trying to do it freehand. Alrighty, so let's just slide everything out. Oh, no way! I was hoping for a pinning tray. I didn't want to ask for one because I felt I was already pretty lucky with the stuff he was giving me. Jeez, buddy. You don't disappoint. Oh. Well, first of all, got a nice... I always wondered what these are... I always wondered what the quality of these things were like. I've never actually seen any 3D printed stuff in person. Oh. Come on, there we go. Oh wow, that's pretty skookum. That's really nice. That's going to be a welcome addition here because, well, both my mini pinning mats are full at the moment, and yeah, you can't have too many of them. That's awesome. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate that. Ooh. Well, let's check this out first. This is what started the trade. Remember we talked about this a while ago, and I always wanted, well, I didn't expect two of them. I thought there was only going to be one. Oh, it looks like one, maybe one 6-pin, one 7-pin. And they're not pinned up at all, but that's alright. I can work out a strip for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, 7-pin. And looks like we got perfect. Oh, we do have a little cap piece. So we have 2 keys here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that looks like it would be a control key. And I would like to pin these up in the way that, I mean, you can pin them up however you want, but I'd like to have them pinned up to where the only difference between the operating and control key would be the height of these two cuts. So there wouldn't be any extra pins, or you know what I mean? They would all be, there wouldn't be any master wafers basically. So that's cool. I'll just have to go to my locksmith and have an operating key cut. Awesome, buddy. Thanks for including the keys. I always wanted either Sargent or Corbin LFIC. Now I just have to find some housings for these. And I always wondered about that too. I'm not sure if the Sargent housing is the same as the Corbin housing. Maybe something I could ask Mr. Riccardi. But that's awesome. That's one to check off the must-have list there. Literally, I have a must-have list and I check stuff off of it every now and then. We have a challenge lock. The Stig by WCP. Schleich keyway. So that should be fun to get into. I'm sure that'll be just as hard as a high security lock. Now, okay, we have another challenge. Pete, right on. Never picked a Pete Restall, and I bet you this is going to be on Y1 keyway, which can be quite tricky. Oh, it's a GG. Cool. I have never picked a GG, let alone a GG challenge. Oh, it's extremely smooth, and we have set screws in the top, and he did a really good job on that. Wow. Sorry about the lighting again, guys. Should be getting my new camera shortly. Can't wait. So we have the Stig, and we have a Pete Restall. Get rid of that. Mr. Ugly. Mummied, and ooh, that's nice. Schleich keyway. That should be that should be fun to get into. And now, last but certainly not least, oh, we have another one. Looks like an Everest. Yep, it is. And he calls it Robert Barathon. Yep, it's an Everest. That's going to be really fun. Awesome, buddy. Let's put these challenge locks all aside. Now, big elephant in the room. Oh wow, that's quite a bit bigger than I expected it to be. Oh, okay, so we have ASA Twin. I believe this doesn't have a sidebar, but it has. This camera looks like crap. Have all the side pins, have all the side pin springs. Have 2 new style acid drivers. Oh, sorry guys. And 1 gin bottle. So that'll be a little project, finding the rest of the stuff to put this together. I'll probably never find a sidebar that matches this bitting, but I'm thinking I could probably even just take the sidebar out of my twin and put it in here if I ever wanted to. Maybe not. Looks like the same keyway, but yeah, apparently not. That's kind of interesting. Yeah, it looks like the exact same keyway. Why no fit? That's really weird. I'll have to take a closer look at that. Oh, I can see some slight differences. Yeah, I can see some differences. It's so close though. Guess I didn't want to believe that it was different. But that's cool. I'll figure something out with that. Yeah, zero bitted. Yeah, this is quite a bit heftier than I expected. It's a really nice lock. It's one of those locks that is probably ridiculously expensive for the size of shackle you're getting. Not sure if this is the core that would come in an asset to, but that's pretty neat. That's awesome, buddy. And yeah, last but definitely not least, I believe this is a complete twin. And it's funny, it just says twin, but it's like Twin 6000. That's nice. Very nice. I wonder if my key fits into that one. Nope, same keyway. So maybe I can take the core out of this and put it into, or sorry, the sidebar out of that and put it into there. Either way, still awesome to have. Alright, so yeah, what to say, I'm I'm blown away once again by the generosity in our community. Yeah, I can't thank you enough, Harley. That really means a lot to me. Huge help. Sure, if you guys are watching me, you know who WestCoastPicks is, but if for some reason you don't, go check him out. And sign off with that, guys. And as always, don't pick anything that's not yours. Don't give this community a bad name. Don't give this hobby a bad name, I should say. All right, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.